We are making smashed tacos, bell pepper, cilantro, chicken, tortilla. I almost forgot my favorite stuff. Then we are gonna grill the bell peppers and onion, dry the chicken wings. Game time, baby. Flip it. Just take a minute